Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me, of course. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So as you can tell from the title, I'm also going to show y'all some products that I ordered from Lulusholistic Skincare. I am a brand ambassador for that company. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. It is YOUBETTA to get 10% off of your purchase. And I hope you guys like it. If you haven't seen my skincare routine video, I'll go ahead and drop the link up top up here. I ordered from the company before, but I just wanted to order a couple more things and, you know, try it out so y'all could see the results and all of that. So I'm gonna do another video showing the results of everything. For right now, this video is just unboxing the products and showing y'all what they look like and everything that I got. If y'all need information on this wig, it will be in the description box, so y'all could definitely go check it out. I definitely recommend this wig. I absolutely love it. And yeah, if y'all want to know how I customize my wig, I also have a video of that will also be in the description box, just in case you guys want to check that out. So I'm gonna show y'all what comes in the bag. It is this cute little bag right here. It's so cute. I probably use this for like a, I don't know, the store stuff, or like if I'm going somewhere I need to grab something. It's a cute little pink bag, and it has the logo on it. It says Lulusholistic. And this was from Valentine's Day. This is a Valentine's Day edition bag. It has Happy Valentine's Day on the back, but it's really cute. Yeah, I'll probably use that to put stuff in if I'm going somewhere, something like that. So I ordered a couple items. I ordered things that I definitely don't have from them. I only had one product from them, so I wanted to try out more stuff because I seen the results and how much it worked. So the first thing that I ordered was the Turmeric and Lavender. Don't look at the name of it. My first thing I ordered was the Turmeric and the Lavender bar soap. This soap right here. God damn it. This soap right here, it's like yellow, and it's literally just a bar of soap. It doesn't have a label on it, anything like. Literally, this is what it looks like. It's yellow looking. Smells soapy, like mint, a slight minty smell to it. It's called a Turmeric and Lavender bar soap. It is $6.50 for one bar. I'll tell y'all what it's good for. You can use it on your face, your bodies, for men, women, children. It's good for stretch marks. It's good for healing, and it's good for psoriasis. I don't know if I said that right. And it treats eczema. In case you got eczema, you can definitely try this out. And it relieves stress. The lavender in it relieves stress and stuff like that. And also the turmeric helps to like treat wounds, and if you have any like scratches or any scars or something like that, it's supposed to help fade them, and it's supposed to help with acne. So I'm using this because I want to get rid of, like, you know, under your armpits they be like a little bit dark. I don't know, I be scrubbing, I'm telling y'all, I be scrubbing under my armpits, but they got this little dark color to it. I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna use this to help with my armpits. And also, I don't know if you guys could see, but like on my chest is these little spots, like these black spots or whatever. First it was my face, but I got that taken care of, and they moved to my chest. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to use that on those, and I'll let y'all know how this works out. So the next thing I got is this hair combo. Is to help your hair grow and get thicker, and I need my hair to grow. Like my job, I wear my hair in a bun like 24/7, so it's like pulling my hairline and it's looking real rough. So I need my hair to get thick and grow longer. So I'm gonna try this rapid hair growth combo out. It comes with, god damn it, so part of this thing just broke. My fault. It didn't, I don't think it came like this. I think it broke because I just threw it down somewhere, but don't mind the lid. So it's a scalp treatment and a stimulating serum. This is the first one. This is a scalp treatment. That's what that looks like. It has rosemary and cedar wood oil, or cedar wood oil. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm foreign. I'm from Jamaica. I don't know, we say stuff different. But the next thing is the Vital Rapid Growth Scalp Stimulating Serum. This is what this looks like. So I'm guessing this is the one that you like squeeze on your scalp and you just like rub this one in. Let me go ahead and tell y'all the benefits of this. This is what it looks like inside. It's like yellow. It reminds me of like hair oil or something like that. It smells real good though. I like that. So it could definitely be used by men, women, and children 5 years or older. It helps improve blood circulation. It moisturizes and strengthens your hair, nourishes your hair roots, stimulates follicles, promotes hair growth. The hair types that could use this hair is natural hair, permed hair, locks, thinning, and balding hair. So it's definitely helpful to grow your hair, y'all. I'm so excited to use this. I don't know if y'all could tell by my previous videos where I wear my natural hair in a bun. Baby girl, my hair is thinning out and I don't like it. So I'm gonna try this out and I'm gonna tell y'all if it works or not, or I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a video show y'all if it works or not. The next thing, because I need my skin to be looking right, I need my skin to be glowing, and summer's coming up, baby. My skin needs to be looking right. But the next one is called the Body Conscious Butter in Lavender. It's supposed to moisturize, soften, heal, and protect your skin. This is what it looks like. I like the packaging on this one. It's so cute, like the purple. It could be used for women, men, women, and children 1 month plus could use this product. It's supposed to moisturize and hydrate your skin, which I need that because my skin be dry and scaly. I know y'all be seeing my hand, like, you know what, I'm about to show y'all what this looks like on my hand. It nourishes and restores your skin tone, because sometimes my skin tone be looking weird. It leaves your skin healthy and glowing. It's great for eczema. I do have eczema, but I don't have like big flare-ups and stuff like that anymore, but I definitely was born with it. And it softens and reduces the appearance of stretch marks and discoloration. So I have stretch marks like on my arm because my arms were a little bit bigger, and I have stretch marks around my waist a little bit. So I'm gonna use it on those areas and definitely show y'all the results in a couple weeks or so, or probably like a month. I'm gonna do a review video. But look at my hand, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. My hand is crusty. Crusty, okay? Crusty. Don't mind the black right here. This is from a lipstick I tried to get off and I couldn't get it off. But I'm about to put this on. Oh my god. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So like, it's like really soft. It's not hard to peel off. It's not hard to get out. So put it on my hand. I could already see it. Oh my god, yo. My skin about to be my skin about to be like, baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. And a little bit goes a long way, okay? It smells good. Like, for something to be all natural products, you know, sometimes stuff that's natural or stuff that's healthy, it doesn't always have the best smell. But honey, this is my hand now. Like, girl, y'all see that shine? Period. I'm about to be glowing. Like, I love how it smells. Like, okay. I'm definitely gonna be buying a lot more of these. Again, if you want to shop and buy those products, go ahead and look in the description box. I'll have the link for you. Also, I have the link for this hair and where I got it from. Also, I'll link the video that I did this hair, that I customized this hair. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later.